5 trillion plastic bags per year. By 2050, the world's oceans could contain plastic than fish measured by weight. Bananas are cultivated in over 20,000 hectares every year. Banana stem treated as agro waste and it is available in huge quantities. Banana stems are high in cellulose and natural fiber. To make something productive out of it, Last Bag is born. Cloth bags are heavy and need more space to carry. Last Bag, world's first lightweight reusable carry bag made from 100% biodegradable natural fiber. Organic, breathable and durable. Last Bag is available in two sizes, medium and large. Last Bag has more space to carry everything you need. 20 liters of space, large enough to carry daily needs like vegetables, fruits and groceries. Folds easily and fits everywhere. No folding needed, Last Bag easily fits in a tiny pouch. Attached with your keys, easily fits into a jeans pocket. Last Bag takes 200 days to decompose completely. For every Last Bag you purchase, we plant a tree for the future.